What's going on? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. I hope you enjoyed the time lapse. But right now we're in the car heading to Boeing. So it's like the highway of Seattle. Pretty cool. There's actually snow on the mountains. So Trav, how are you? But anyway, my brother's asleep. I'm gonna be quiet. My parents are in the front. Say hi, Mom.
Hello.
She's busy navigating. I'm not gonna interrupt my dad. He's scared on this road. He hates driving in America. He doesn't like the road. But I got my little brother in the back playing his speech. So you guys, without further ado, I'll see you once we get to Boeing. We're gonna break my dad. Guys, we're gonna break my dad. Here we go. Dad. My neck.
Hey Dad, could you buy like a hotel room here at the Hyatt House? No.
Yeah.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Scaring you.
Someone might hurt now.
Alright guys, so now, so we just finished up the Boeing store. I bought some things for my birthday present. Nobody cares. So right now my brother slept. He slept in the car.
Yeah.
And then my little brother, he was playing Switch. But we finished it. We did the tour. We had a really nice tour guy. He was good. I bought some things for my birthday. I'm not gonna get into that because I don't care. But yeah, I bought some pretty cool things. My brother bought this like ring, right there. It's pretty cool. It flies 400 meters, or for my American friends, 1,333 feet. So I guess that's pretty cool. And what are you eating?
Sultanas.
Sultanas. My dad's driving.
She's eating sultanas. My dad's driving.
Anyway, so guys, I'll see you. I'll start a time lapse, I guess. Alright guys, so we just finished lunch and we walked around for a bit. So now,
Jeez.
yeah, my brother's bottle flipping into the cup thing. Exposed.
Can't please have my water? I need just go
I
straight.
think we're heading back to the hotel now. So we might go to the gym. You know, he's the one who found out about it first. I think was it you?
Chocolate there.
I know, one of us. But yeah, guys. So I guess
Oh, you got those.
I'll see you at the hotel. Well, back at the hotel. Prank time. Prank time, guys. Here we go. Ah! Alright, we're gonna wait. to like some moose.
Pay off money.
Wait. Merry Christmas!
Dude, this place is so steep. Look at this. Dude, I
We're
tried
parking
going
now.
quick, I failed, but
We're parking now.
oh,
What? It looks so crap. Oh, we're nearly there.
peeping out.
Shut it up.
Is that near the lift too?
I'll kill you, mate.
Oh, here we go. We've got 33. Guys, we've got number 33. Okay, 33.
33? Dude, now.
Well, yeah, it's chicken.
Wait, isn't that?
All right, that's got to go on the dashboard. Do you reckon on this side or your side, on the opposite side?
I say no sides.
Okay.
Mum, I say we
need
put
to
it
go
on
to
no
the
sides.
toilet. Our toilet hasn't been fixed, though, has it? That's the next thing.
Well,
No, Mum, should have.
we just told them not to come last night. We didn't
Yeah.
tell them to come at all.
Wow.
Okay, guys. So see